let's stick with France. So property in France, for example, or a pension held in another jurisdiction, how are they considered by the English court?
So normally what the English court does is they want advice from that jurisdiction to usually find out how that jurisdiction would separate the assets. And also, what would that jurisdiction do with an English order? Could they uphold an English order? Right. So it's not that the English court is going to apply French law, but it's like they want to know what will be the likely outcome in France. They would want to know, would the French be able to do the equivalent of a Part 3? So would they be able to say, oh, you've had an English divorce, now let's look at the French assets separately. And then they'd want to know things like, how do you enforce an English order? Would it be respected? Do you have to apply to the French courts for that English order to then be turned into a French order, to then be upheld by the French courts, things like that. So they'll want to have all that evidence just to make sure they understand how it works. And they may very well make a decision on all those assets. So